Hey there and welcome back. In this video, we're going over how to create and edit divisions and classes and how that hierarchy works and how you, in what order you need to add them. Okay, so I'm already logged into my demo application. I'm going to go to View Divisions. As you can see, I've already got multiple divisions added. Every application comes with a base set of divisions and classes based on the entry form being used. Here we can go through, we can uh, view a list of divisions of classes. We can change the number that we view at one time. And you can also take a quick look and see which ones are active and which ones are not. So you can actually create divisions, you can create classes, you can make them active if you want them to appear in the competitor's registration form, or you can make them inactive if you want them to remain there but not show up in the form. So as from year to year, as your show changes, you can add divisions and classes or take them away without having to retype them or fully delete them. So we'll go into, let's say, women's bikini. We'll just do a quick edit. Here I could change this. I don't want to change it. There's no need to, but I could deactivate it here, and then it would still appear in this list, but it would not appear in the registration form. And like I said before, I leave these buttons here so you could, when you make changes, you can go and view the registration form or view the order tickets form and make sure the changes are appearing properly. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a new division. I'm going to call it test division, and I'm going to put it under male. This is going to be a male division. So if this is a real division, I may say, men's open bodybuilding or men's physique, whatever. So we'll use that. I'm going to make it active, and I'm going to create it. Then I'm going to go back to my main admin area, and I'm going to go to view classes. And this is basically the same thing. You can view all of the classes. And this is not based on division. This is just a list of all the classes, and you can see what division they're tied to. You can sort here in this table. You can sort by the header title if you like. And again, you can go to edit and make changes here. These upper value, lower value, this is something I built just in case I wanted to limit what classes people could see based on their height and weight that they entered, and I decided not to use it. So you can just put 0 or doesn't matter what you put here. I would just put zeros for upper and lower, and it would be based on height or weight. So we'll go back, we'll create a new class, and we'll call it test class 1. For value, we'll just do 0, 0. Doesn't matter here. We'll do male because it's male, and then and this is important that you have it. If it's a male class, it needs to be selected male. If you select female, then it's gonna the form's not gonna populate properly. And division ID, this will be a drop-down list of all the divisions. This is why you create the divisions first, so it'll appear in this list. We're gonna make this active, and we're gonna create it. And in fact, let's go create a second one. We'll call it test class 2. Again, we'll do 0, 0, male, and then same thing, test division. Make it active, create, and then we could actually search and go, did it actually appear? Yep, there they are. Both of them are right there. So now we'll go back to our registration form. We'll choose male, and then at the bottom we can see test division, class 1 and class 2. Now if I go back to I want to find where to put it. Here it is. I'm going to say I'm going to edit this, make it inactive, save it, go back to the registration form, and select male. And now we'll see that there's only one class there. So, for instance, if you are doing a show and you have 3 height classes in men's physique, and you decide to add a 4th, you can easily add a 4th. And then if the numbers don't pan out, you can make it inactive and make it not there anymore so no one can register. So that's what that's there for. So we'll go back. Um, that's pretty much it. There's not a lot to this. Just keep in mind you want to always create the division first, and then you create the subordinate or child class that would fall under that division, and then it'll appear in the drop down list. And you see the purpose of active and you selecting or deselecting that. Each one will have a details. Not much to go by here. This is assigned to competitor. That's a field I added to the database, and it has to do when people go and register. It makes a duplicate of that class and puts it under that competitor, and that's how you can see what classes and divisions they're assigned to. And obviously, we don't want to see those in the list because it's just a duplicate in the database for the purpose of pulling up that or retrieving that data with the competitor information. So um, you never want to. In fact, if you go to edit, you'll see that that's not even there. You cannot edit that field. You can see it there, and in fact, I may take that out. We'll see. Um, but so if you see that, don't worry about it. So that's it. We'll next video probably go into how to register users and create user accounts. So enjoy.